Welcome back with the new topic of MS Word. Today I am talking about the column. Column means we can using this option we can convert whole document into columns. As same as newspaper. In newspaper we see any report is written using columns. So let's see how do you put this. This is my document. Just I am writing a document and I will convert it in column. First you have to click on the layout tab. This is the layout tab, and then this is the column option. Okay, click on the drop down list. Different columns are there, 1 2 3, left, right. These columns are there, and more columns also is there. Click on the more columns. Column dialog box will appear on the screen. See, this is the column dialog box. Okay, and in this dialog box we can select the number of columns. Suppose I am select 3 columns. See, this is preview section. This preview section we can see the output layout. Okay, this is 3 columns I have selected, and then the number of columns is there. Number of columns 3 already I have selected. You can create much. Suppose I am increase the column name, a column number 5. I am giving 5. So 5 columns are there. See, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So using number of columns, this option you can increase and decrease the column number of columns. So I am using 3 columns. Then line between means if you on this option, then the a line appear between 2 column. See, now appear line in 2 columns. Okay, so in this way you can create a line between 2 columns. So just I am going to off this. Okay, and then width and spacing. Width and spacing means using width you can increase and decrease the width. See, the changed column width means this writing space of the column, and spacing means the space between the column. Okay, when you increase or decrease the column width, you can use this option, and you can use this option. You can increase the spacing or you can decrease the spacing. Okay, and then equal column width means 3 columns in my document. According to my document, there is 3 columns, and in these 3 columns width length same. Okay, so then okay, just I am creating the column now. See, so my document is in column form. Okay, then go to column option and you can change the appearance using more columns. So see, now the column width are same and space also same. So you can change it, just off the equal column with this option, and you can increase the middle column width and decrease the space. Okay, so let's see, this is the increase already middle column width increased. middle column width increased, and this width as same as previous, and this width also. Okay, so in this way you can change the you can change the column width and column space. Again, go to the more column option, and then if you want to apply the whole document, means if you change if you want to change the whole document into column form, then you have to click on the whole. But if you want to change only the selected text, you can, suppose just I am selecting this 4 lines, and I want to change it into column form. Just click on the layout and then column, click on, suppose I am using 2. See, this portion only into 2 columns. Okay, in this way you can select any portion which you want to change into column form, then you can change using this option. And if you want to change the appearance of the column, then you can use these options. Okay, more column options you have to click, and then the column dialog box appear. These are the number of columns, and line between the columns. Click on the line between the columns. See what happened. See, the line will appear between these 2 columns. Okay, in this way you can change it, and then change the, suppose I am changing the first columns width, I am decreasing, and second column width I am increasing. Okay, then see, this is the first column, this option is this is the first column, and then this is the second column. So see, first column width is very small than the second column. Okay, in this way you can change. And to if you want to change the equal form, so just click on the equal column width, this option on, and then click on OK. See, the 2 columns width is same. Okay, so in this way you can change the column width and columns appearance, and you can change the whole text into column form as same as newspaper. So that's all for today, and next video for the next topic of the MS Word.